get to $10,000 a month in the day and age we live in, it's not hard.
I'm gonna show you how to make 10K per month with just a laptop and a phone.
You're gonna head over to Google and you're gonna type in DigitStore24, and then you're gonna click on this first link right here. Then you're gonna click Start Now to sign up for free. Once you sign in, your dashboard is gonna look like this. Go to the right of the page and you're gonna click on Marketplace. There's tons of categories that you can choose from, so just choose anyone. For this example, we're gonna go with fitness and health. Here's the #1 product on Digit Store for health and fitness. This number shows you how much you're gonna earn per sale. Now copy this link. This is your affiliate link and this is how you're gonna get paid. Next, you're gonna go to Pixabay.com and then you're gonna look up keto diet. You can choose to find images or even videos. Download an image that you like. Then go to Pinterest.com, create an idea pin, add the image, title with keywords, and now paste your affiliate link from Digit Store. Or you can upload videos on TikTok, just like this video, which has 13 million views.
Whenever someone uses my affiliate link to purchase that product, I get paid a commission from Digit Store. Now what I do is called high ticket affiliate marketing, which means what I promote costs more, so my commissions are higher. I made my first $100,000 through high ticket affiliate marketing. If you want to learn how to do this yourself, comment the word learn and I will send you a DM with my free blueprint to help you get started.